There are many benefits of almond oil for health and beauty, both when it's rawly used or when it's processed. Almond has a scientific name Amygdalus communis, and widely cultivated in Middle East and Southeast Asia. Almonds are commonly grouped as nuts, but actually, it belongs to the drupe group. Drupe refers to a fruit with a shell encasing the seed inside. There are two kinds of almond. There are sweet almond and bitter almond. Almond oil can be made from both kinds, but be careful when you use bitter almond. Make sure that it's free from cyanides and other toxic properties that can be harmful to your health. Almond oil itself has many benefits, including benefits for the hair. You can also read benefits of castor oil for skin care and how to use it. Below is the 12 benefits of almond oil for hair. 1. Makes hair shinier. Applying almond oil to a half-dry hair could make the hair shinier. It's because almond oil could heals the damaged part of the hair. So, if you are currently struggling with a dull-looking, or dry hair, you could try applying almond oil to your hair after washing your hair and wait till it's half-dry. Dandruff is #1 enemy for most people. Because having dandruff could be a hassle for our appearance. The white spots caused by dandruffs even lower our confidence in some cases. But don't worry, you can apply almond oil to your hair regularly after washing your hair to say goodbye to dandruff. You can also try the benefits of washing hair with aretha to treat dandruff. Who doesn't want a healthy hair? If you are currently having a problem with damaged hair, you can use almond oil as your hair treatment. There are several ways to use almond oil for hair treatment. How to use it? First, you can use it as a hair mask by applying it after lightly washing your hair and leave it for about 30 minutes before rinsing it off. You can also use it as a conditioner after washing your hair and then rinse it 2 minutes after application. It has been proven that almond oil contains vitamin E and other moisturizing properties. This can be helpful for your dry scalp. By applying almond oil regularly, you can give your scalp extra moisture, so you are kept away from dry scalps. Dry scalps could also lead to scalp infection and inflammation, which can be a worse news for your hair. Indeed, there are many natural hair such as health benefits of shea butter for hair treat scalp infection and inflammation. Recent study showing that dry scalp could result in scalp infection or inflammation. You must take this condition seriously, since an uncomfortable scalp could reduce productivity. It has been proven that the almond oil contains anti-inflammatory properties. How to use it? You can apply almond oil and massage it to your scalp for about 5 minutes. Then, leave it for about 15 minutes. After that, you can wash your hair using shampoo and leave it dry. Split ends could get really annoying sometimes. Because split ends are usually dry and hard to be entangled. You can use almond oil to get rid of split ends. By applying small amount of almond oil to your split ends, you can instantly part with split ends and get healthier looking hair. Sponsors link. Almond oil has proven to contain many health benefits for hair. So, adding almond oil to your hair care routine could improve the health of your hair. Almond oil contains vitamin E and other properties which are beneficial for your hair. So, start using almond oil as a part of your hair care routine. But one thing you must always remember is, avoid using pure almond oil, because it's too heavy. So, you can opt for a lighter almond oil instead to achieve the best result. As an alternative, here is health benefits of coconut oil for skin and hair. If your hair is acting up and hard to be detangled, you can use almond oil to help detangling your hair. You can apply small amount of almond oil to the troubled hair, and then detangle it slowly with a comb. This will help a lot because that way, you can prevent hair loss due to strong detangling. According to a scientific research, almond oil contains omega-3, vitamin E, and phospholipids, which is beneficial for treating hair loss. Those nutrients help to fasten the growth of new hair, as well as strengthening hair so the hair loss could be decreased. You can't miss reading benefits of fish oil for hair loss. Sponsors link. Most of the nutrients that can be found in almond oil are beneficial to improve hair growth. It also helps nourishing the hair, so it can be stronger and more healthy. If you are currently looking for a natural remedy to improve the health of your hair, you can choose almond oil. You can use it regularly before washing your hair to achieve a nourished looking hair. It has been proven that regular use of almond oil as hair care could provide deep conditioning of the hair. Deep condition results in an improved hair texture. So, what are you waiting for? Add almond oil to your hair care routine to improve your hair texture. Regular use of almond oil could also promote hair growth. How to use it? First, almond oil is a good source of protein. Thus, it promotes hair growth and cells renewal. Second, by massaging almond oil to your scalp for about 5 minutes could help stimulating blood flow from and to your scalp. This can also promote hair growth. You may also read the benefits of watermelon for hair growth. Those are 12 health benefits of almond oil for hair. So, what are you worrying about? Start adding almond oil to your hair care routine immediately.